Hey Tech Timers, this is Andre of Andre's Tech Time and Product Reviews, where I review cool tech and everyday products that will make your lives just a little bit easier. And today I am coming to you live with no jive, with a Tech Time tip that will help you make your teeth whiter and brighter, the high-tech way. Now can you dig it? So before I get down to the nitty gritty, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell all below. Okay, Tech Timers. So when I started this video, it was late last night, and I decided to call it a night, and I'm getting back to this the next day. So I'm just going to pick up where we left off. So we all know how to use teeth whitening gel. Okay, so you just remove the top, turn the bottom, and it's going to push up the gel. You just apply that to your teeth, and then you put on a mouth guard for 30 to 60 minutes. Let's put that back. Same thing with the teeth whitening strips. We know how to use these as well. Let's go ahead and remove these. Okay, so you've got your strips inside here. You just remove the strips, and then of course, so what you do is you've got, I don't know if you can see that perforation there, you've got top and bottom. Just apply to your teeth. Let's put these back in. Just apply them to your teeth, put in your mouth guard for 30 to 60 minutes, and of course when you're done with whichever one you're doing, you rinse. Tongue scraper, good for someone like me who drinks a lot of tea. You know, if you drink coffee, you get food stains on your tongue, that's what this is for. So, what is so special about this kit? This is it right here, the LED teeth whitening unit. So, as you can see, the mouth guard just applies right there. You just, it's removable. You can put the next one on if you want to. I'm going to leave that off for the moment. So what's good about this, and here are the instructions, and this is what I read. Hopefully you can see that. Let me just stand up so I can get a good look at the screen here. LED light is used in conjunction with teeth whitening agents to help brighten your teeth. The principles of teeth whitening work by applying a peroxide-based whitening agents known to whiten stains on the teeth surface. To speed up this reaction, a blue light source is shown on the treated area in order to speed up the process. And hopefully, let me try and get that in focus. If not, well, if it's not in focus, that's what it says. So the LED unit or light speeds up the teeth whitening process. So how does this work? Okay, there are two batteries, and these are CR2450. There are two batteries in there. There's a plastic shielding. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. There's a plastic shielding in there. Let's go ahead and remove that. Make sure I can get that off for you. Okay, it's in there, people. And here it is. All right, let's see if I can. You need to remove this in order for the batteries to make contact. Okay, now that I've got the protective sticker removed, let's go ahead and put the batteries back in. There was also a little protective sticker on top of the battery. Oh, you can see, did you hear that? All right, let's put the cover back on. Put it back on, twist, remove this. And as you can see, there's your LED, so it's on. Okay, this goes here. So we apply those to the teeth, apply this, attach the mouth guard to the LED light, press the light and leave it in your mouth for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try, and I will let y'all know what I think. Okay, Tech Timers, so after using this teeth whitening kit, here are my first impressions. Very, very, very easy to use. Good quality materials. This is not cheap stuff. The gel pens, very easy to use, minty fresh. Tomorrow I will use the teeth whitening strips. I will use the tongue scraper tonight as well. I'm assuming that you could probably use any of your favorite brands of, teeth whitening gel or advanced whitening strips, but of course double check to make sure that brand can be used with an LED. One thing I find that's really groovy about this kit is that they recommend using it for 30 minutes. However, if you just want to use for a short period of time, no problem, because when you turn the unit on, it times out and shuts off after 10 minutes. So if you want to use it, if you want to go beyond 10 minutes, just give it another press and it will go for another 10 minutes. Once again, I'm very happy with this. Of course, I'm going to continue to try it out, and I'm going to do a follow-up video to let you know how white my teeth became after using this, maybe for about a week or so. But I will say, if you want your teeth to be white, bright, and out of sight, then get this kit because it's dynamite. Thank you for hanging out with me here on Andre's Tech Time and Product Reviews. On all of my reviews, all of my opinions are my own. I don't get paid to do this, and I purchase all of my products with my own money. Enough said. Keep on trucking, and I will catch you on the flip side in my next video. Now, can you dig that?